Well, hey everybody. We are back with the results of the spinach. In my previous video, I blanched the spinach, put it in ice water, drained it, and now I've got it in my food saver bags. They're about a half a pound each. I did 3 bags, so enough for 3 dinners for 2 people. And I saved some spinach because I'm going to be making a juice, and I will take you guys along for that tomorrow. So there's multiple things that you can do if you buy a lot of spinach. I know Costco has it on sale a lot of times. I got it on sale at Smart & Final. If you shop at Aldi, spinach is very cheap there. If you want your own frozen spinach, preserved spinach, this is the way to go. You know exactly what's in there. There's no extra sodium. I put no salt in this. When I cook it, I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and some butter, and voila, we have dinner, or a side dish. Great in casseroles, great in a just as a side dish. We eat spinach all the time. So, and you can save some for a spinach salad, or you can do the drink like I'm going to be doing. It's called Jugo de Verde, the green drink, and we got the recipe in Cabo, at our resort, Royal Solaris in San Jose del Cabo. They have a drink there every morning, and I will share that with you in the morning. It's really good. Very, very addicting. I had it every single day that we were there. Every time we go, either to Cancun or Cabo, it is so good. So, there you go. 3 bags of spinach that are going into the freezer. I know exactly where they came from. I know exactly what went into my food. No added preservatives, no nothing. And especially no extra sodium. That's the biggest thing. There you go. So if you want to do more than this, of course, you just buy more. I am planning to buy a few bags, if I can get them on a really, really good sale, and freeze a lot of spinach. Like I said, we go through a lot. We like to put it in our eggs, omelets, and things like that. So we use spinach a lot. And spinach is really good for you. Good source of vitamins. Okay, you guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please share. Please ring that bell and leave a comment. Hit the like button. And please subscribe. When you subscribe, you are not only eligible for our 5,500 subscriber giveaway, but you also help grow our channel. The more people we have subscribe, the more YouTube shares our video. And the word gets out there, and my channel will grow, thanks to you guys. So I appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for many, many more videos.